guys, it's Slush13456 here, and today I'm going to be doing a mail time. See, I haven't done, I think I've had done a mail time, but that was without my voice, but now I'm doing a mail time with my voice, so that's great. Yeah. I have 8 gifts, or 7 gifts, but I think one's a message, I guess. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna, sorry, lag. I'm gonna look here. Okay, this is from my friend. Oh, nice. I already have one, but at least I got a rare. Thank you, Snowflake Kitty Cat. Thanks. Here you go. Poofy rug. Cool. Come on. Oh, princess necklace. Pretty. And this person forgot to do a gift. Okay. Yay. Restore hat. Oh, thank you, Kitty Cat 300. Thank you so much. Another one. Okay. Are you? Here's a better hat. Look at all this. Oh, pink lamp. Nice. Okay. Let's see what this is. Please don't let play. Oh my gosh, golden nest. I'm keeping that. I'm keeping. Okay, I'm gonna put on some of these items that I got. No, I'm just gonna put on that starter hat. Wait, what? Oh yeah, and then some. Oh yeah, because some of them were. Oh, did not mean to do that. I'm just gonna put these items in here. Oh yeah, whoa, that is huge. That's huge. Wow. Yeah, I really like these stuff that I got. Now I'm going to pause the video while I get more gifts. Okay. Okay, guys, we're back. But I just got one gift from someone, and I'm just gonna do other stuff. Okay, oh, elf bracelets, nice. I'm just gonna go to Jamal. I'm actually just gonna go on Aldeon. Just go. Oh, it's full. Finally. Thanks. Thanks. This is just really laggy, but yeah. I have my fridge. Oh, 1 second. Okay. We're back, and I'm just like spinning my fidget spinner right now. So let me just put it next to the mic. I'll stop doing that. So where is my friend? Where's my friend? I just so good. Okay, I'm gonna change animals. I'm just gonna change it to a coyote. Oh, well now that sounds weird. Yeah, that is weird. And it's fine though. Come on. Well, I just found another friend. Yeah. Yeah. This guy, well, that just sounded weird. Silly. My friend's not listening to me, so I'm just gonna go to another friend. Okay. Where's my, okay, there's my friend. Oh, I guess they're just doing a role play. Yeah. Sorry, I just twitched. Sometimes they're just like randomly twitch. Yeah. So I am stretching right now. Oh. My headphones fell off. Will anyone gift me? What is wrong with this? It just sounds weird. Oh well. I found the problem. It's fine now. I'm just like gonna be a fox and I'm just gonna sleep in the sleep pile and see what happens. Sometimes I like to just do funny stuff in role plays when I'm not even playing the role play. Yeah, it's hilarious. Okay, I'm gonna change to a different animal like that. Okay, I'm gonna change it to this animal. Yeah. Yeah. What? Uh. Okay. They're. I'm just gonna do this, and then it's just gonna. I'm just gonna do that and see what happens. Really? Okay. Well, I'm just. Yeah. Yeah. Not working so well. Just gonna do this instead. I'm just gonna try this just for now. And they're just gonna run in here and then sit that way. And then I'm gonna change into an alligator. Wait, let me take my. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna be Arctic Fox. It's gonna do an evil laugh. Wahahaha. Then I'm just gonna walk out as the Arctic Fox. Sorry, I'm yawning. I'm just gonna change back into this. I'm just pretending to wait. I'm just get the sticky notes. I'm just gonna type it in because I can't do it in I'm in real life, so I'm just gonna do I'm role play I'm role playing. Yeah. And I'm just gonna say I'm back, and then I'll say I'm back. Wait, what? Okay. Where did the other one go? I'm just gonna. Yeah. Just making sure. And mic. Oh, so that's the leader. I'm gonna tag. Oops. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, now I'm gonna pause the video while I go see an. Okay, now I found a friend of mine. Yeah, sorry, my nose is itchy. Oh, it's 4:30. I think I'm gonna just end the video here. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. Please no, please no, please no. Sorry. Okay. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day and slush on. Slush on.